Fall Winter 22 TNF is here today, and it's a very special day because I ran out of trash bags. Well, that's a little bit pricey for a trash bag, don't you think? I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold. Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we are live copying on the Supreme website. We are going TNF. It's going to be crazy.
I'm only going to say this one more time, sir. Calm down.
Mainly, it's going to be crazy because I only have a couple minutes until this thing is dropping, so I need to get into it right now. We are refreshing. I'm going to make sure I can get logged into my account here. It's almost, it's at time now. This is how slow I was. We're not here yet. It's time though, isn't it? I do not see anything yet.
They are here.
Alright, here we go. They loaded in. Jesus, top sweaters. I want to get the black one. I'm going to get the black one. We're going XXL. Boom. Draw a circle. Oh my god, draw a circle. I got it. I got the circle, John. Going bags. Okay, we get the bag. Boom. Add the cart. Draw another brown circle. Oh, they got a brown circle. Did I get it? Okay, brown circle. Check out now. Let's go check out now. Processing. Come on, boys. PayPal. You can do it, PayPal. Let's go, PayPal. Please, come on, PayPal. I just want this. Nobody wants these pieces. Just give it to me. XXL. Brown bag. Let's go. Yes! We did it! Wow. I cannot believe that worked. I wasn't logged in. I got here last flippin' minute, and now we ended up with these two items. I hope they sell out. I have no idea if they will or not. These are just the two pieces that I wanted to grab. I could have easily just tried to go for one fleece instead of this. I just figured if I'm going manual, these are definitely copable, and I do have good faith in these two items.
I don't use the word hero very often, but you are the greatest hero in American history.
Let's take a look and see if anything is selling out with this North Face collaboration. I expect it to sort of be slow a little bit today. Probably the really big sizes are gone, but let's see.
I'm so bored. I want to kill myself.
In. Oh, trash bag sold out. Black trash bag gone. I could see that. It looks like the Apogi jacket, or however it's pronounced, is sitting. I figured as much. Kind of what I expected. The biggest sizes in the fleeces are going.
You think you're so smart because you're dumb book learning.
You still have a large in the brown. I should just pick it up for myself. I think that these are really going to be nice fleeces. You guys are going to like these. Twill jackets not. Let's check out these tops. Are these doing anything? Nope. Just the black one. Yeah, it looks like these jerseys are still in it. The small went fast. Holy smoke. All you Asian boys be picking up the Supreme Team world famous jersey here.
So are you Chinese or Japanese?
Yeah, I think that jersey could definitely be a pretty good sleeper. Let's check out the first Tremont Emery piece, or one of the firsts. Let's see how they're doing. It does look like this will be a sale item. All XXL, full-size run in full-size colors, so you can get whatever you want in that Preem hoodie. The pants are kind of full-size runny as well. Oh, the black one's gone. That's interesting. Black one's completely gone. The other two are pretty much sitting.
I don't believe you people.
What do you mean, you people?
What do you mean, you people?
Interesting that the fleece didn't go at all. I'm kind of surprised. Honestly, this is a pretty nice piece, but it's definitely sitting. I don't have a lot of faith in these guys. Yeah, full-size run on those.
I've been wearing the same underwear since Tuesday.
Alright, that hat sold out. While the red one sold out, the white one's still in. Yeah, not the big sizes though. Those went pretty quickly. I think the white one was the move, but I just really can't get behind these fitted hats at the moment. The crochet beanie still sitting. These are good pieces to add into your cart. I forgot to get the the gloves went. I think I said black gloves probably do okay.
Bullshit.
Black waist bag gone. Backpacks are still sitting. I think these usually do, but then when they're gone, they're gone. And yeah, that looks like about it. So stuff will slowly sell out over the time here.
Whatever, major loser.
Alright, folks, we're here on the Discord. Let's check out Success really quickly. I'm going to try to do this quicker than normal.
I'm very aroused right now.
I too am aroused.
I'm starting to swell up.
Alright, let's check it out. This morning, Ephraim picked up a TV. I think he got that really cheap on the Amazon discounts. That was a great pickup there. It was like $100 for that thing. Manny goes baseball jersey, box logo, and keychain. Alright, not bad. Looks like Lewis went ahead and grabbed a couple of those denim jerseys as well.
He sounds like quite a man.
Highland decided to get two carts. The baseball jersey in white and a white box logo size 8. Both things are sold out, so that's good.
Really?
Blueberry pizza, a hat and a keychain, not bad. D Prime went accessories, waist bag, gloves, and the keychain, not bad. I want to see how those gloves do. They all sold out pretty quickly, honestly. The New Wave Lee went for it for sure. Got the base layer pants, the New Era box logo blue, the black denim cap, the baseball jersey, a white denim cap, some baggy jeans, a green box logo hat, and of course the black base layer to top it off.
Just stop this thing! I order you!
Wow, you went for it, and I'm pretty sure those are all personal, so man, you crazy. Philip, you did something that no Fauntleroy Finest members are supposed to do. You single-carded a beanie.
What the fucking fuck?
That makes up for it. The brown XXL fleece probably makes up for the extra 10 bucks. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Well, Litness is the first one that picked up the Steep Tech pants. Got the brown, we got the waist bag, and the white New Era money box logo. Not bad at all.
I like that.
Oh, here's your boy Fauntleroy, dropping the free shipping cart on your head. And then Ephraim, not to be showed up, early access to these Jordan Purple Canyons. What? He got the size 9 women's, and I know he's ready to sell those. So if anyone needs a size 9 woman in the Purple Canyon, you should come into Discord and hit up Ephraim, because he's going to be selling them ASAP.
Who is he?
He's an asshole, sir.
Alright guys, what can I say? There you go. That was a pretty quick one. I was this close to not making it. I sat down like 2 minutes before the drop. My computer was completely off. I had to log into everything. I'm just extremely lucky that I was able to get in and get what I wanted.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
I do expect most of this Supreme North Face stuff to sell out within the next day or so. So if you do want any of these pieces, you should probably jump on there and grab them. The fleeces will probably be gone by the time this video is out, but you still should be able to pick up some sizes of the other items. Let me know in the comments below what you guys grabbed, and I want to thank you guys again for joining me on my live comp journey. And if this video did not give you the Fauntleroy fix that you need in your life today, well then you should check out these videos up here.
Come pick it with you.